Oh my God. So guys, we are done. Busog.
Busog.
Kurot. Kurot.
Welcome to another episode of PLANTZILLA video, and it's me, Maria, and we are here at Hardy's Place, Panglao. Aside from the fact that we are in Panglao today to check out some plants, we are also here for the food. And if you are interested, I'll take you with us. And if you are ready, let's begin. So guys, pag nagko-commute ka or just from the highway, you will just turn left, and then that is Purok 7, Libaong, Panglao, Bohol, and Hardy's Place is just right here, and you will really see it from the kalsada. Hindi naman to highway, it's a barangay road pero nakasemento at maayos po yung daan. So we'll just go there. Kahit umuulan, so nandito na kami, we'll just go there. So it does not matter if it rains, still papunta kami, rain or shine. So ayan siya with all the plants. O ayan, si Mr. Plantito. So finally na-visit na namin siya. Sobrang tagal na namin ginustong pagpunta dito. Kahit umuulan, we're still here, and welcome to Hardy's Place!
A few moments
So
later.
guys, time check, it's almost 5 p.m. and they are still setting up the place. On the entrance itself, rubber tree na guys. This is a lemon lime rubber tree, if I'm right. So ayan. So pambungad lang naman. And this place is actually perfect for those diners na ayaw nang disturbo kapag kumakain. So, yun na, yung mga tagong uyab-uyab dyan. So, pwede naman dadun dirikay. Dili, kaayo kita. I do hope that, you know, what is this? I bet this is a variegated balanghoy. But I'm just not sure because I haven't been introduced to this plant. And this is the very first time that I'm seeing it. So, I think this is really a balanghoy. It's just that it is variegated. Medyo humihina na po yung ulan. So, drizzle na lang. So, we are visiting here at Hardy's Barbecue House with Balbacua, Sinugbang, balot, and etc. Not a fan of balot, but I can eat Balbacua and Sinugbang. So, we'll get to see the plants here. This is a giant pothos. So yun guys, aside from the food, we are also here for the plants. Kasi dati nagdi-display to nung nagsisimula yung pandemic. Marami po silang display na mga plants. So, we are here to check them out. Although hindi na sila ganun kadami dati, but still, sobrang dami pa rin ng plants na nakikita ko. So, look at how lush the giant pothos are. Dito kasi sobrang tahimik. So, you can enjoy yourself. You can enjoy your peace here. So, may baboy na umiiyak. So, ayan guys. There are pots of champagne here. So, ayan, maraming champagne na nandito. And there is a huge wave of love. Apart from the baboy na umiiyak. Meron pong philodendron millenonii. And we are checking out the wandering Jew, and they are placed here. And the coconut tree. Ganun pala sila kaganda, no? Dumadami sila. And there are also birds' nest here. What are you waiting for, the Balbacua? Hello, sir. So, he is the owner of Hardy's Place. And nakakita ako ng maraming display ng plants dito before. But what I'm seeing now, hindi na sila ganun kadami. Pero meron pa din. So, kahit hindi ko to garden, mag-garden tour ako. Ito nilalagay yung mga paninda. Mag-beer na ka, so early. Wala pa sintabi. So, pili. Barbecues, mga sinugba. A lot guys, na pa di Balbacua. So, they have a lot here. we can't wait to check it out. It's just that they're still setting up. It's not yet 5 p.m. So usually murag pang gabiin is siya nga place. So this is really a breath of fresh air, especially for those of you who would want to dine somewhere far from the noise of the city. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay. Ano siya mong gihuwat?
Balbacua o balot.
So he's waiting for the Balbacua and balot.
O green horse.
O red horse. That's what he is waiting for here. Kung sa una, kasi kauban nga nakaroon, no choice. Ako na makauban, magtagay-tagay ka dira.
Game over.
Now, I'm so sorry that this video today is not about plans. We will be food tripping, and I do hope that you'll still watch us. Thank you so much for watching and supporting PLANTZILLA. Now, gagabi na mamaya. So, I'll just take this moment to check it out habang maaga pa. In this area, marami pong barbecue and we will check them out. There is a price list available. So, if you are interested to dine in or to come here just for takeout, then this is the price list. So, yan yung available dito, guys. And of course, we will check what's here. So, after this, we will be buying them. What's perfect is that this place is so clean. This is an open area. So, it's really a breath of fresh air. So, these are the barbecues na available, guys, for you to choose from. They have a lot. I think this is pork chop na ay Adidas. They also have that. I do not know. Ayan, sobrang dami. I bet you know the name of it. So, I bet you know them all, guys. And you are familiar with them. So, you really have varieties to choose from. And we can assure you that they're good. So, from the barbecue place, meron pa pong iba. So, we'll just check it out. So, this area right here is for the shake. So, if you are interested for some refreshments, they have halo-halo. And they also have shakes available here. So, yan, fresh bukos, guys. So, all are available here at Hardy's Place. Meron pang stall na iba. So, we'll still go there. For the meantime, this is what you will see when you get in here. So, may pabalanghoy and Biko. So, di na ako mukha Balbacua kaya nagkauna ka na. Mukha ang gabong ka. Walang hiya. What are you waiting for? Balbacua. Sizzler is also available, and there is a sisig that is worth 150. There is also a sizzling chicken and a gizzard. So they're all available. So you can have fresh fries as well for 35 pesos and cropik for 50 pesos. Perfect pang pulutan, guys, since this place perfect kayo sa mga magbabarkada nga mulaag dire and mag, you know na. There is still as well a price list for Lomi, guys. So there is a Lomi available. 38 pesos. As you can see, they also have siopaw, spicy fries, regular fries, and then siomai. So for pika-pika. So they're all perfect, guys, for pulutan. And for those of you who just want to come here to unwind, they have it here. And na Puto Balanghoy, guys, let's check them out. Nakatry namin and they are so yummy. So this is it. And this is the Puto Balanghoy. And as you can see, they also have Biko and the Puto Kutchinta. So they have here. On that area, sugbahanan siya, guys. So there will be Sinugbang Isda later. So wa pa karon kay early pa. Time check is just 5:20. Usually oras sa imong mga customers mga ni sir?
6 usually.
So usually mag-start ni sila og 6 p.m. So they are still setting up the place. Napay mga area nga vacant pa kay wa pa diha ang occupant. So they will come here. Basta roughly mag-start na sila at 6 p.m. And murag napay ongoing nga gamon dire, guys. Maybe mag-start daw next week. So, atoan ng huwaton. And maybe a bar will be constructed here. Since Hardy's Place is starting to make its own name here in Panglao. So, dayuhuno na siya, guys. Here, they're still setting up. Sisig is on its way. So, he is so excited. Ingana na dyan ka excited sa ibang Balbacua.
Ako nagaluto na.
Yan ang giatangan, guys. Oh my God. Balbacua, it's on its way. It's, wow. So, he is so excited. Balbacua is on its way. Oh my God. Wow. Oh my God.
Labong sa'yo, pal, it's time to get some barbecues.
So, for our first order, so, buenamano ni siya. Pagpila ni siya? Kani? 12 pesos. So, siya learn yung hotdog, guys, kay Virginia.
Gamay nilang huwat, maluto na cute siya. Finally, Sisig is here, and the fun thing is how they will present it. And they said that it's gonna be a flaming sisig. I'm looking forward to that. And I chose the chicken gizzard. So, ayan, I'm so excited. Ano kaya yun? Oh my God! Flaming sisig. So, ayan, guys.
So, ganun. Hindi ka pwede mo kaon kay Balbacua mo, ha? Oh my God! Amazing!
So here it is, our flaming sisig with an egg on top. So perfect for pulutan, guys. Pero for us, sudan ni siya. And then we also have the Balbacua. I'm so excited to taste this. Mukhang masarap kasi mabango siya. And we have the barbecues pero later pa, hindi pa tapos. I don't know what is this lemon for, pero arin ako siya ipa-squeeze. Either sa Balbacua na siya, ambot lang.